Please take a moment to review again the document that I sent with the setup instructions to be able to start doing research. I will briefly demonstrate how can we do research on one sample page. You should have these icons in the extensions bar in Chrome: the AA System software, the Xali toolbar, the FBA calculator, and the Keepa box. So I'm going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond. This is one of the examples, one of the websites that I have listed. We're going to select Healthy Living. It is important that every time we go to a web page, we see the product information and pricing so that the software can pull the information and then compare it against the Amazon database. In this case, there's 20 pages of information for 1,907 products. So we have to go through every single page with the software to be able to pull that information, but we can do that relatively quickly. So once the page has loaded, we click on the software, on the AA Plus System software, and then this software immediately will bring in all the data from the page. It will compare it against the Amazon pricing, and it will also compare against other websites' pricing for similar products. We're going to do a couple things here to filter all this information. First of all, we're going to select an ROI of 20. We want to look for products that have return on investment of 20% or above. And then we're going to select a net profit of $4, which we want to see product where we can make $4 per unit or more. Once we select these two filters and input the desired amount, we're going to go and click on My Buys. This will filter everything that meets these two criteria. And then we want to look at sales rank. It's going to show us the Amazon price. It's going to show us the Bed Bath & Beyond price. And in the case where there's a lower price somewhere else, it's going to show it to us and it's going to indicate where. It is very important that this is just software. And so sometimes the products are not the same when they get pulled. For example, that is not the same product. You know, one comes in a box, one comes in a plastic container, and if you notice there in the picture on the right has 125 tablets. Picture on the left, there's 285 tablets. Not the same product, right? In some cases they look the same. Some cases we need to make sure we're going and looking in detail. For instance, this product is also different. It's not the same product. As we go through the first one that has a rank under 120,000, this is a good rank, 792. But the first thing we see is that the products are different. Amazon says NutriBullet RX, Bed Bath NutriBullet without the RX. When we go to these other sites, they are the same product as Amazon, but these prices are higher than the Amazon price. But the Bed Bath & Beyond is not the same product. We go to the next one. We ignore this one because the rank is too high. We go to the next one that has a rank of 26,000. They look the same. They look similar. When we go or when we hover over the price, we click on the Bed Bath link to show us what the product description and what this is selling for, $79.99. And then we'll go back to the research page and we click on the Amazon price. And it's going to bring up the Amazon listing. The Amazon listing is going to provide the information on the product. So this product looks like, per this information, is selling on Amazon for $238, and we can buy it in Bed Bath & Beyond for $79.99. So we're going to capture that information as this product qualifies in our list. First of all, we're going to go to our spreadsheet and start populating this information. We're going to go to the source URL, the source link. We click on the search box, copy that link, and paste it in the source URL box. Then we're going to go to the Amazon link, copy that link, and paste it on the Amazon box. Then we're going to capture the description. So we're going to copy the description from the Amazon page, go back to the spreadsheet, and paste it there. I'm going to lower the font. Then we want to capture the ASIN number. ASIN number can be found several ways. On the listing for the Amazon link, we can copy it from there. We can also find it from the analysis page. If we scroll to the right, we can also copy it from the analysis page. The ASIN number is there. We also notice the category is kitchen and the rank is 26043. So we include kitchen and the rank 26043. Then we'll go back to the page, the Amazon page, to capture the price and the pricing that Amazon is selling it for. We remember also that this product is being sold for $79.99. So we capture the source price there, $79.99. The Amazon price, if we recall from the software, is $238.88. So we go back to Amazon, and there's no price here. There's no price in the buy box. It says available from these sellers. So we have to click there to see that, in fact, the price is $238.88. So we'll go back to the spreadsheet, $238.88. Back on the Amazon page, we also see that there's no new offering. It's only used. But that's the only price, so we will use that price as a reference. We click on Return the Product Information, and then bring up the FBA calculator. So the FBA calculator allows us to input the price that we're going to buy it for, $79.99, which gives us the estimated ROI, 137%, and then the margin impact, the net profit, which is $110. So we're going to capture this, $110, and then 137%. We also noticed when we went to look at the details of these sellers that there's only 2 people selling it. None of them are fulfilled by Amazon, and Amazon is not in this listing. So we're going to go back to FBA sellers is 0. Total number of sellers is 2. Amazon is not in the listing. And then we're also going to go back to the detailed information, to the product listing, and in the FBA calculator, it will show the estimated monthly sales. 94, we're going to capture this information here. 94. And then finally, we're going to look at the reviews. So we go back to the Amazon page. We notice it has 2,559 reviews. And when we hover over the stars, it's got a rating of 3.9. So 3.9 and 2559. 2559, 3.9. When we go to back to the Amazon page and we click on reviews, we can then scroll down and look at every single review. We're going to go down to where it says see all reviews. We're going to sort by most recent, and we're going to count the number of reviews that have happened on this product in the last 30 days. So a quick count, last 30 days. 1, 2, 3. 3 reviews on the last 20 days. So go back to the spreadsheet. 3 reviews on the last 20 days. And that's all we do in this case. Then we go back to the AE systems and we continue on looking for additional products. So for instance, we go back to the page, we select the next page over in Bed Bath & Beyond, and we click the AE systems button again. And we go through the same process again. At the end of the day, we need to start selecting the products that are fitting or meeting the criteria that we have selected, so that we can do the proper analysis and decide which products are worth our investment in buying. And I would like to see this spreadsheet filled out every single day, so that we can go and make these investments. So then I go back to my Vice and I start the process all over again. See, I will also show you very quickly here this first product, NutriBullet. And in this particular case, I want to show you that this product has a buy box, $119, which is what we would capture. When we go to sellers, we notice several things. This is what when we are capturing sellers, Amazon is on this listing. So this counts as 1, and then any seller that is fulfilled by Amazon has this box. In this case, these don't count because we're only counting new. If there's no new, then like in the other example, we're only capturing those 2 because those are the only 2 sellers. But in this case, there will only be 1 seller, and Amazon is that seller. But normally when we have new in fulfillment by Amazon, that's when we populate here in this column that says FBA sellers. And that is all that I have for now. And then if you have any questions, please reach out so that we can so I can clarify any of your questions, so that we can continue doing research for Amazon products. Thank you.